In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot ChatGPT if you're experiencing issues with it not working properly. We'll go through a few simple steps to help you get everything back in order. Let's dive right in. First things first, start by navigating to the ChatGPT website using your preferred web browser. Once you're there, make your way over to the upper right corner of the screen. You should see three small dots lined up vertically. These dots are the key to opening up a menu of options. Give them a click, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, we're going to focus on finding Settings. Once you've located it, go ahead and click on it. Now that you're inside the Settings menu, we're looking for Privacy and Security. This section is crucial because it manages your data and helps us deal with any issues that could be interrupting your ChatGPT experience. In Privacy and Security, you will find an option that says Delete Browsing Data. Clicking on this will take us to the heart of troubleshooting. A new menu will open up with all sorts of data options you can delete. Here, it's important to focus on cookies and other site data. These cookies sometimes hang on to outdated or corrupted information that could be messing with ChatGPT. Additionally, make sure to set the time range to all time. Doing this gives you a comprehensive sweep of any problematic data. Once everything is set up correctly, go ahead and click on Delete Data. After clearing that, return to the three dots in the upper right corner again and give them another click. This time, look for Extensions and select Manage Extensions. Extensions can impact how websites perform, including ChatGPT. In this menu, take a moment to review all the extensions you currently have running. It's a good idea to turn off any extension that you don't actively use or need. Doing this can often speed up performance and resolve conflicts with web applications like ChatGPT. Once you've made these adjustments, try using ChatGPT again to check if the issue has been resolved. If problems persist, we have another option: opening a new incognito window. Click those three dots once more and choose New Incognito Window from the list. When browsing in this mode, your browser won't use your existing cookies or extensions, offering a fresh start for using ChatGPT. And if none of these solutions work, there's a final trick: turning off any VPNs you have running. VPNs can sometimes interfere with connectivity or complicate how platforms like ChatGPT communicate over the internet. Disconnecting from them might just resolve your issues. That's it. By following these steps, you should have a better shot at getting ChatGPT up and running smoothly again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.